Everyone's trying this brilliant garlic egg idea. Here I'm using 3 heads of garlic. Let's put everything in a blender or food processor. We'll add 2 yolks, 1 more egg, and blend it all well. After blending, we'll transfer the mixture to a container. Now add chives and parsley to taste. I'll also use a bit of sausage. Add a tablespoon of yeast and mix thoroughly. Add a small cup of plain yogurt. Now gradually add flour until we get the right consistency. Add salt. I used a teaspoon here. Then move the dough to the counter and knead it lightly. Next, we'll divide our dough. Now take a small portion. Let's roll it out with a rolling pin. Once done, we'll cut it like this. Now let's fry this dough in hot oil. Brown it on both sides. Once browned, drain on paper towels and enjoy. Look how amazing this pan-fried garlic bread is. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care, everyone. See you next time. And thanks.